Right, just got a Ford Galaxy in. You can get them Galaxies and Mondays all do the same sort of thing, mini Fords. It just cut out while running. Plugged it all in and it's come up with this P0087. It's basically somewhere in the fuel line. I mean, sometimes it comes on because of your fuel pump. Other times it's because your fuel filter's blocked, or your fuel line could have collapsed in itself, or in your fuel tank it's got some muck. Some reason it's not getting fuel to the engine, the right amount anyway. So need to have a look into that. Next job.